How to resize an image in Paint. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can resize an image in Paint. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Paint. And after you open up your Paint, what you need to do is you first need to import an image. So you can import an image by simply dragging it and dropping it from the file location. So I'll just do that here. I'll just drag it and drop it like this. So after you drag and drop your image, what you can do is you can tap on this option that says Resize and Skew. Tap on this, and after you tap on this, you can actually change, you can resize it as you can see. So you can change it to whichever you want. I'll just do it 50-50, and there we go. It's just been changed. You can tap on it again and change it again if you want to. Also, you can choose if you want to change it to pixels as well. So I'll just change it. I'll I'll just do this again. I'll create a new one. I'll not save this, create a new one, and simply drag and drop the image again. And after doing that, I'll tap on resize. So right here, if you choose pixels, you can change it by pixels as well. So let's do it 900, and let's change this as well. So let's just do it 700 and tap on OK. So after that, you can resize it in that way, and you can start drawing on it as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.